very well deserved thank you. In this next portion, I want to welcome Janina Kitchen to the stage. Janina has been on the staff at the Gloriavale Leavers Support Trust for 5 years, and we are very sad to lose her. She has increased her hours with New Zealand Police after being made aware she cannot continue with both the police and the Gloriavale Leavers Support Trust. Until some of that is resolved, Janina will continue to be a cheerleader and supporter of the work we do, but no longer part of the staff on the team. We are very sad to lose her, but I'm going to invite Liz to say a few words.
Janina, you've been an integral part of the team, don't cry, and I didn't see a time when you wouldn't be working for us, and I know it was the most difficult decision of your life. Janina had to choose between us and the police, and that's a tough choice, isn't it? But that was something the police demanded of Janina, just until the police issues are resolved with Gloriavale themselves. They felt like it could appear to be a conflict of interest, and it's just to safeguard them and the work they're doing and to safeguard the trust and Janina. And so we're hoping she'll be back anytime they get it all sorted, Janina? I think actually Janina is now the most useful person on the police to assist with the police investigations into Gloriavale. So who knows what might appear to be for our bad, or might end up being, Janina, for everybody else's good. Look, your gentle manner and the skills you've had with our leavers and the legal team, you really have been the perfect person for this role. You've been an advocate, a supporter. Your door was always open. Brian would say, I'm coming to town, I'll see you at 8 o'clock tonight, and that may have been your weekend. You've had a great husband who's supported you in the work. So many trips to the coast, we have had some adventures, and so we've got a few lovely pictures up here as well. It's hard to say goodbye for now. Janina also was multi-talented and ran our finance department, but the Lord provided within a matter of moments, and Clarissa Hardy is now taking on the finance role, as I really didn't want to land that one on my lap as well. And so we will be looking for someone else for a few other hours next year. We invited Steve Patterson. He was to have some words, Janina, but he got caught in the fog in Auckland, and the planes were grounded, and he is very upset that he can't be here, but he has supplied us with a Facebook message, a messenger video, which is technically difficult for me to execute, but I thought I could put the sound up.
Hey Janina, sorry I can't be there for your farewell. Here I am stuck in Auckland since 7 p.m. last night trying to get south. It's been fantastic working with you. I remember the day that you served Howard Temple and the Ready proceedings back in maybe 2020, and he refused to look you in the face and you dumped the filings at his feet. It was fantastic. And here he is now, a convicted person. Hey, all the best. I'm sure we're going to be doing stuff together in the future one day, who knows. And it's been an absolute pleasure working with you. Have a great evening, and sorry I can't be there. Bye.
Oh, good on you, Steve. That was great. And so we'll actually give the last word to Faithful Disciple. So Faithful, would you like to come up?
When I was asked to do this, I thought, well, that's the easiest job ever, to say a few nice words for Janina. Yes, our family left 4.5 years ago, and Janina was one of the first people that really connected with us and helped us to learn that we could trust. And that was really so special. She's had, I feel like she was the heart of the operation. And yes, she's been beside us through telling our very, very difficult stories. And I just wanted to say you've become part of our story, part of our healing story. And thank you so much on behalf of all the Leavers for what you've done and what you've been. And we wish you all the best going forward.
This is like Janina's fourth farewell, by the way. Like, we had a staff one, then a trust one, then a girls one, and yeah, so.
Thank you all for being here. And it's not all about me, it's all about everyone who is here. I haven't planned a speech or anything, but Gloriavale and Gloriavale Leavers have been a part of my life, a big part of my life for the last 5+ years. And I'm not just gonna step away from it. I'm stepping away from this role as a staff member, but I'm still here, and I have connected with just about all the leavers here, I would say, in one way or another. And I don't want to just step away and not ever see you again. I've become a part of your lives, and you're a part of my life as well. I have seen people through their deepest lows, some people, and seen them exhibit some incredible courage and standing up in court as well, witnesses and plaintiffs in various cases, and even just supporting other people who have spoken up. It's huge, and I really appreciate, and I'm so privileged to have been working alongside so many of you. And thank you. I will always be an avid supporter of you all. Thank you.
Just one more thing about Janina. So when Faithful said about her building that trust with him, it made me reflect on the trust that Janina has built with so many of us. And coming from a culture where there is no trust, there's nobody to trust in, and Janina has handled that with such grace and love and care for all of us in our different ways, and she's taken us all on so graciously. And it would also be something to just keep in mind for any of you who are supporters, is the way that you can graciously teach people to trust you, by not sharing their information, and just understanding that when they tell you a story, it is safe with you. It rebuilds so much of a person's life, and their confidence, and going forward for their whole life and every decision they make, if they know there's people that they can trust.